Hey there muscle car fans, thank you for watching Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. Well, today we've got something really special for you again. This is a 1971, yes a 71, Plymouth Barracuda Cuda, which is equipped with its original factory numbers matching drivetrain, which exists of a 383 big block with a 727 automatic transmission. The car is also painted in a very rare car, which is Winchester grey metallic, which is factory original for this car. The car is equipped with its factory original build sheets, and it's also got its fender tag still in place. The complete drivetrain is numbers matching, and so are almost all the options on this car. The option list of this car is very long. It's too long to state here, but you can check it out online. Some of the special details are power front disc brakes, power steering, bucket seats, rally dash and floor console. Besides that, the car is also equipped with rally wheels. The car is absolutely in amazing condition, and the inside and out of this car has been completely restored, the engine and drivetrain fully rebuilt, all back to factory stock specifications. If you ever wanted a high-end restored 1971 Cuda, which is a pretty rare car in itself, this must be your car. Well, I'll conclude this video by stating that this is probably one of the best Cudas that we ever had in our shop, and for sure it's one of the rarest we have had. We thank you for watching this video, and if you want more information, please feel free to send us an email or give us a call. We thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon again.